Welcome to our channel Everett English. Today video, here's a list of 200 intermediate level words along with their synonyms. 1. Abundant, plentiful, ample, bountiful. 2. Accurate, precise, exact, correct. 3. Adventurous, daring, bold, fearless. 4. Aggressive, hostile, forceful, assertive. 5. Amazing, incredible, astonishing, remarkable. 6. Ambitious, determined, driven, aspiring. 7. Ancient, old, antique, archaic. 8. Angry, furious, enraged, irate. 9. Annoying, irritating, bothersome, aggravating. 10. Anxious, nervous, uneasy, worried. 11. Appreciate, value, cherish, admire. 12. Arrogant, proud, haughty, conceited. 13. Artificial, fake, synthetic, man-made. 14. Attractive, appealing, charming, alluring. 15. Awkward, clumsy, uncoordinated, uncomfortable. 16. Bad, terrible, awful, dreadful. 17. Beautiful, lovely, stunning, gorgeous. 18. Begin, start, commence, initiate. 19. Believe, trust, accept, suppose. 20. Best, finest, greatest, top. 21. Big, large, huge, enormous. 22. Boring, dull, tedious, monotonous. 23. Brave, courageous, fearless, valiant. 24. Bright, shining, radiant, luminous. 25. Broken, shattered, cracked, damaged. 26. Busy, occupied, engaged, active. 27. Calm, peaceful, serene, tranquil. 28. Careful, cautious, attentive, vigilant. 29. Cheap, inexpensive, affordable, low cost. 30. Clean, tidy, spotless, neat. 31. Clever, intelligent, smart, witty. 32. Cold, chilly, phrasing, icy. 33. Comfortable, cozy, pleasant, snug. 34. Common, usual, ordinary, frequent. 35. Complicated, complex, intricate, confusing. 36. Confident, self-assured, bold, fearless. 37. Confused, puzzled, bewildered, perplexed. 38. Creative, imaginative, inventive, original. 39. Cruel, brutal, harsh, merciless. 40. Curious, inquisitive, interested, questioning. 41. Dangerous, risky, hazardous, unsafe. 42. Dark, dim, shadowy, murky. 43. Difficult, hard, challenging, tough. 44. Dirty, filthy, unclean, grimy. 45. Disappointed, dissatisfied, frustrated, let down. 46. Dry, arid, dehydrated, parched. 47. Early, premature, before time, ahead. 48. Easy, simple, effortless, uncomplicated. 49. Educated, knowledgeable, informed, learned. 50. Empty, vacant, hollow, bare. 51. Famous, well-known, renowned, celebrated. 52. Fast, quick, rapid, speedy. 53. Fat, overweight, plump, chubby. 54. Fearful, afraid, scared, terrified. 55. Friendly, sociable, amiable, warm. 56. Funny, amusing, humorous, entertaining. 57. Generous, kind, charitable, giving. 58. Gentle, soft, mild, tender. 59. Good, excellent, great, wonderful. 60. Great, amazing, fantastic, outstanding. 61. Happy, joyful, cheerful, content. 62. Hard, tough, difficult, firm. 63. Healthy, fit, well, strong. 64. Heavy, weighty, massive, hefty. 65. Helpful, useful, beneficial, supportive. 66. Honest, truthful, sincere, trustworthy. 67. Hungry, starving, famished, ravenous. 68. Huge, enormous, gigantic, immense. 69. Hurt, injured, wounded, harmed. 70. Hurry, rush, hasten, accelerate. 71. Important, significant, essential, crucial. 72. Impossible, unattainable, unachievable, hopeless. 73. Interesting, fascinating, captivating, engaging. 74. Intelligent, smart, brilliant, knowledgeable. 75. Jealous, envious, resentful, bitter. 76. Kind, caring, compassionate, considerate. 77. Lazy, idle, sluggish, inactive. 78. Little, small, tiny, minute. 79. Lonely, isolated, alone, abandoned. 80 lucky, fortunate, blessed, favored. 81 modern, contemporary, up-to-date, new. 82 mysterious, secretive, enigmatic, puzzling. 83 narrow, tight, thin, limited. 84 necessary, essential, required, vital. 85 neat, tidy, orderly, clean. 86 nervous, anxious, worried, uneasy. 87 nice, pleasant, agreeable, kind. 88 noisy, loud, boisterous, rowdy. 89 obedient, compliant, submissive, dutiful. 90 old, ancient, elderly, aged. 91 polite, courteous, respectful, mannerly. 92 poor, needy, impoverished, destitute. 93 popular, well-liked, favored, admired. 94 powerful, strong, mighty, forceful. 95 quiet, silent, calm, peaceful. 96 rich, wealthy, affluent, prosperous. 97 rough, uneven, coarse, rugged. 98 sad, unhappy, sorrowful, miserable. 99 soft, gentle, tender, delicate. 100 strong, powerful, sturdy, tough. 101 accumulate, gather, collect, amass. 102 adapt, adjust, modify, alter. 103 advocate, support, recommend, endorse. 104 aggressive, hostile, assertive, pushy. 105 alter, change, modify, adjust. 106 astonish, amaze, surprise, stun. 107 authentic, genuine, real, original. 108 balance, stability, harmony, equilibrium. 109 banish, expel, exile, deport. 110 bargain, deal, negotiation, agreement. 111 bizarre, strange, weird, unusual. 112 blissful, joyful, ecstatic, delighted. 113 boost, increase, improve, enhance. 114 brilliant, intelligent, bright, clever. 115 burden, load, weight, strain. 116 candid, honest, frank, straightforward. 117 capable, competent, skilled, proficient. 118 cautious, careful, alert, watchful. 119 celebrate, honor, commemorate, observe. 120 charming, delightful, appealing, enchanting. 121 clumsy, awkward, uncoordinated, graceless. 122 coax, persuade, convince, entice. 123 compete, contend, challenge, vie. 124 comprehend, understand, grasp, perceive. 125 conceal, hide, cover, disguise. 126 confess, admit, reveal, disclose. 127 conflict, struggle, dispute, clash. 128 confuse, perplex, baffle, bewilder. 129 conquer, defeat, overcome, subdue. 130 considerate, thoughtful, kind, mindful. 131 decrease, reduce, diminish, lessen. 132 defend, protect, shield, guard. 133 delicate, fragile, sensitive, dainty. 134 demanding, challenging, difficult, tough. 135 desire, wish, crave, long for. 136 detect, notice, discover, identify. 137 determine, decide, establish, conclude. 138 diminish, decrease, shrink, dwindle. 139 disguise, conceal, mask, camouflage. 140 disturb, bother, interrupt, disrupt. 141 diverse, varied, different, assort. 142 dominant, controlling, powerful, influential. 143 doubtful, uncertain, skeptical, hesitant. 144 drowsy, sleepy, tired, sluggish. 145 eager, enthusiastic, excited, keen. 146 efficient, productive, effective, proficient. 147 elegant, graceful, stylish, sophisticated. 148 eliminate, remove, erase, abolish. 149 emphasize, highlight, stress, underline. 150 endanger, threaten, risk, jeopardize. 151 endless, infinite, limitless, boundless. 152 energetic, lively, active, dynamic. 153 enormous, massive, gigantic, immense. 154 escape, flay, evade, avoid. 155 estimate, calculate, approximate, assess. 156 evident, obvious, clear, apparent. 157 exaggerate, overstate, magnify, amplify. 158 excuse, justify, explain, pardon. 159 expand, enlarge, extend, broaden. 160 expect, anticipate, predict, foresee. 161 fascinate, captivate, enchant, intrigue. 162 fatigue, exhaustion, weariness, tiredness. 163 feeble, weak, frail, delicate. 164 fertile, productive, fruitful, rich. 165 flexible, adaptable, bendable, pliable. 166 flourish, thrive, prosper, grow. 167 fragile, delicate, breakable, brittle. 168 frequent, common, repeated, constant. 169 frustrate, annoy, disappoint, irritate. 170 generous, kind, giving, charitable. 171 genuine, real, authentic, sincere. 172 gigantic, huge, massive, enormous. 173 gloomy, sad, dark, depressing. 174 graceful, elegant, refined, poised. 175 grateful, thankful, appreciative, obliged. 176 hazardous, dangerous, risky, perilous. 177 helpless, powerless, weak, defenseless. 178 hesitate, pause, delay, waver. 179 humble, modest, unassuming, meek. 180 humorous, funny, amusing, witty. 181 identify, recognize, determine, distinguish. 182 imitate, copy, mimic, replicate. 183 imperfect, flawed, faulty, defective. 184 impress, amaze, influence, astonish. 185 increase, enlarge, boost, expand. 186 indicate, show, signal, point out. 187 inform, tell, notify, communicate. 188 innocent, pure, guiltless, blameless. 189 insult, offend, disrespect, mock. 190 intense, strong, extreme, powerful. 191 introduce, present, announce, reveal. 192 jealous, envious, resentful, covetous. 193 joyful, happy, cheerful, delighted. 194 kindness, generosity, compassion, goodwill. 195 knowledgeable, well-informed, educated, wise. 196 limited, restricted, small, narrow. 197 loyal, faithful, devoted, committed. 198 massive, huge, enormous, gigantic. 199 mature, grown-up, adult, responsible. 200 mysterious, secretive, enigmatic, puzzling.